Wicked Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Alex K. Alex, this is the E-Series Corona motherboard, 16 megabyte, but it did require a postfix. I think that technically makes it like V5. We went ahead and RGH'd it using, I have to have the power plugged in, sorry. We RGH'd it using the Muffin CR4 speedup method using a Matrix V1 chip. There's also a postfix V2 in there, and then we read and wrote the NAND via a NANDX. We did the white LEDs on the front, as you can see here. When we get a successful boot just any moment, you'll see the entire outer ring also light up white as well as the center ring. Now, unlike the S-Series Slims, there it goes, the S-Series Slims have kind of a green tint. The E-Series Slims do not, so they actually look pretty neat with white LEDs. So the console is automatically going to start to Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash all pre-installed as well. I've got the console also set to its lowest possible resolution, 480p. So when you get it back, you may want to turn that up. You might notice that it looks a little fuzzier than normal. That's just for compatibility's sake. So thanks very much for trusting us with your console. We'll go ahead and get it packed up and head it out your way.